Welcome to the next box break from our case break. This is box number 10. Only a couple more to go after this. So we'll start opening the packets now. First pack, we've got a hit, and we've got a Gareth Ellis, Club Player of the Year. You're getting 4 or 5 of these a box. I'm finding the majority of boxes I've pulled out 5 of the club players, and they've got 2 different versions, the 2009 and the 2010 version. I think I prefer the look of the 2010s. Next pack. All commons there. Next pack. So we're looking for our top prospects, award winners and predictor. All commons there. Second hit, and it's a Michael Ennis, Team of the Year. You're getting 2 of these per box. Team of the Year, that's the 2009 version. You've also got the 2010 version. Next pack. All commons there. Next pack. Hopefully we can get an interesting hit in this box. Next packet. Now we've actually gone through and cut the tops of all these packs, if you haven't seen one of our other box breaks, just to make it quicker so we can get the videos through and give you a good look at the cards. Don't waste half the video filming us trying to open packets up. Next pack. All common cards there. Still looking for all our 1 per boxes. Next pack. And we pulled our second Team of the Year card. It's Anthony Watmow from 2009. Cards are coming out nice and easy. And no damaged cards. I think I've had a couple of cards that have had little roller marks on them. Now we've picked up award winner. And this one is one that I don't think we've got before, and it's Billy the Kid, Billy Slater. Nice looking insert, and it's AW10, numbered 165 of 400. And if you've watched all my other box breaks, every single award winner I've pulled up so far has been numbered 165. Next packet. All commons in that pack. Next pack. All commons there. Next packet. All common cards. Next pack. Still searching for our predictor and our top prospects, and we've just hit our top prospects, and it's one that I've been looking for. It's Andrew McCulloch from the Brisbane Broncos. Nice looking auto on that, nice big autograph on the card, so I'm pretty happy with that. Let's see what number we've got. Oh, and it's not a bad number either, nice low number, number 29 of 300, so it's one of your lower numbers. Not as good as the Rabbitohs one I picked up in an earlier box break, which was number 002. If you haven't seen that box break, that was quite an exciting pull. Next packet. Still looking for our predictor, but we've hit another one there. We've hit Club Player of the Year, Manu Vatuvei, the big beast. Hit Club Player of the Year, and it's Mitchell Pearce from the Roosters. Next pack. All commons there. Next pack. commons again. Next pack, we're getting down to the last few packets. Still looking for our predictor from this box. Next packet. And it's another Club Player of the Year, and it's Corey Parker, 2009 version in this packet. And it's probably a side that's slightly on the up at the moment. Parramatta Eels, so it's not a bad predictor for this box. Okay, summary of box break 10 from the case break for the Game Day Online, the Game Day Network. We've got 4 club players: Manu Vatuvei, Gareth Ellis, Mitchell Pearce and Corey Parker. Our 2 hits of the Team of the Year are Michael Ennis, 2009, and Anthony Watmow, 2009. And then our award winner was Billy Slater, 2010. Number, you guessed it, 165 of the 400. Our auto, Top Prospects auto, was Andrew McCulloch from the Broncos. Very happy with that pickup, and a reasonably low number too, 0.29 of the 300. So that's a nice card, nice big signature on that one. And our predictor for the box was Parramatta Eels, a side on the up. So they're a nice looking card, those predictors. So look out for these cards for sale in our the Game Day shop on eBay. And look forward to our number 11 box break coming soon. Now the Game Day Network, or the Game Day concept of websites, will be giving away a box of this 2011 Select NRL Strike Series 2. Just go to our website www.gamedaytradingcards.com and take a look on there. You'll see the logo for Winner Box. Click on there, it'll give you all the competition details. All you need to do is join up to our website and you'll be given a ticket in the draw for one of these boxes. Box is going to be drawn on our big YouTube event on Grand Final Day for the Rugby League. So go to the website, join up now, and you're in the draw to win one of these boxes valued at $185.